Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into an essential guide on how to use Monday.com for scheduling. First things first, we have to create a board. To do this, simply click on the plus new button and select Board. This is where all of your tasks and schedules will live. The reason we do this is to have a centralized location where you can see all of your tasks and deadlines. Now that we've done that, let's move to the second step, creating groups to organize your tasks. Click on the plus Add Group button and name it according to your project or task category. This helps us because it allows us to segment our tasks into manageable chunks. Next up, within these groups, we have to add items or tasks. Click on plus Add under any group and start typing to add a task. This is our main task list, and it's important because it allows us to outline all the things that need to be done. The next step is setting due dates. To do this, click on the calendar icon next to your task and select a date. This is crucial because it ensures that each task has a set deadline, helping us stay on track. Lastly, we will assign these tasks. Click on the person icon next to your task and select a team member to assign it to. This step is important because it delegates responsibility and ensures that everyone knows what they should be working on. Now, let me explain why this matters. By following these steps, you can effectively schedule and manage all your tasks using Monday.com. It allows you to stay organized, meet your deadlines, and improve your productivity. But remember, getting the most out of Monday.com for scheduling requires you to consistently update and manage your tasks. It's not just a one-time setup, but an ongoing process. And there you have it, a quick and practical guide on how to use Monday.com for scheduling. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.